Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Car Hacks is probably one of the most useful compilations for every car owner, from fixing minor issues to improving your overall driving experience. This video will guide you through a range of simple yet effective tricks that will not only save you money on costly repairs but also enhance your comfort and safety on the road. We'll cover everything from resolving common car problems to making your daily commute more enjoyable and efficient, so get ready to become a car maintenance master. Number 5. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. This innovative cleaning gel is designed to tackle even the toughest dirt in your car's hard-to-reach places. It's perfect for keeping your vehicle's interior spotless. Simply press it into cracks and crevices. It effortlessly lifts away dust and grime. It's incredibly easy to use. Made from natural materials, it's gentle on your car's interior. It effectively cleans without causing damage. This cleaning gel is reusable multiple times until it turns black. Remember to store it properly in a cool, dry place after each use. It's not just for cars. Use it to clean electronics, keyboards, and more. It's a versatile cleaning solution for your home and office. Each PULIDIKI cleaning gel is sold brand new. If there are any issues, contact us immediately for a resolution. It makes a thoughtful and practical gift for car lovers. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. It's designed to easily clean hard-to-reach areas. This cleaning gel can be reused multiple times, saving you money. If you need a versatile cleaning solution for your car and home, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This putty gets into all those weird tiny cracks and hard-to-reach crevices. It does not leave any residue or weird marks on any of the surfaces that I tried in my car. The overall appearance of this item looks very good. I have had this item for a long time and this item is very durable. It definitely makes my car look newer and cleaner. It gets dirty quickly, but it does not seem to affect the efficacy of the slime. The container is a good size for a center console or a glove box. Number 4. Drop Stop Car Seat Gap Filler. Tired of things falling between your car seats? It's frustrating and dangerous. Drop Stop solves that problem. It completely covers the gap, in front of, around, and behind the seatbelt. No more searching for dropped items. It attaches easily to your seatbelt catch and moves with your seat. No readjusting needed. Drop Stop was featured on Shark Tank, proving its effectiveness and popularity. It's a must-have car accessory. Made to last a lifetime, it's built with high-quality materials and won't fall apart. It's a worthwhile investment. You get 2 drop stops, plus a bonus slide-free pad and an LED credit card light. It's a complete package. One size fits most vehicles, and its discreet design blends seamlessly into your car's interior. You won't even notice it's there until it stops the drop. What we like. It completely covers the gap between your car seats. Its patented design ensures lasting quality and functionality. If you're tired of things falling into that gap and want added car accessories, this is for you. What people say. Fit firmly but not too tight, travels with the seat as it's moved forward or back. This is key. My wife is 7 shorter than me. Nicely made and I expect it'll last a very long time. I installed both sides in under 5 minutes, and they've stayed perfectly in place since. You can still move your seat easily without messing anything up, and they really do stop things from falling into that annoying black hole between the seat and the center console. They just got delivered and I went straight to the truck to install and everything is perfect. I dropped my phone just to see and it bounces right back up because of the material they are made out of. Number 3. Amooca Car Seat Hooks. It's made of high-quality materials and is wide and deep enough to hold your purse, backpack, and more. It fits headrest bars from 0.32 to 0.55 inches in diameter and can hold up to 55 pounds. They transform your car's headrests into extra storage. Keep your car clean and organized by hanging groceries, clothes, or other items. This package includes 4 hooks, perfect for various needs. They rotate 360 degrees and can be tucked away when not in use. Installation and removal are simple, no tools are needed. Just attach them to your headrests without removing them. They can be rotated to the front or back of the seat. No more shopping bags rolling around on the floor or seats. What we like. This set includes 4 headrest hooks. They're designed to save space and rotate for easy access. If you need extra storage in your car and want a versatile solution, this is a great option. What people say. The hooks come in a universal design that ensures they fit snugly onto the headrest of any car model. The installation is as simple as it gets, slide them onto the headrest posts, and voila. The robust build means that these hooks are not merely ornamental, they are built to last. I've hung everything from heavy grocery bags to my work laptop bag, and the hooks show no signs of wear and tear. While the primary function is to hold bags and coats, the hook's utility goes beyond that. I've used them to hang umbrellas, kids' backpacks, and even small pieces of sporting equipment. Number 2. EcoNour 2-in-1 Car Desk. It's the perfect solution for eating, working, or reading in your car. This essential accessory simplifies your busy lifestyle. Enjoy a meal on one side with its deep cup holder and flat surface. The other side is perfect for your laptop, complete with a pen holder. Transform your vehicle into a productive mobile office or relaxing space. It's designed for those who spend a lot of time on the road. Made from durable ABS material, it attaches securely to your steering wheel for a stable surface. Remember to remove your steering wheel cover first. With its slim and lightweight design, it's easy to store under your seat. It's ready to use whenever you need it. What we like. It offers a work surface and a food tray in one. It's made from durable material and is easy to store. If you need a versatile desk for your car, this is ideal for you. What people say. It hooks right onto the steering wheel, turning it into a mini desk where I can rest my laptop, take notes, or even just eat lunch without making a mess. The pen holder is a smart touch, and the other side works perfectly for snacks and drinks during breaks. It's lightweight but sturdy. It locked in place easily and was very sturdy. This is a perfect way of being able to enjoy your food on the go or working from your car. It's easy to install and quite sturdy. I didn't have any hard time cleaning it either. Because of its thin design, it's quick to put away and does not need too much space. Number 1. Beicarin Car Trash Can. It boasts a spacious design, holding all your car trash. Plus, it folds flat for easy storage when not in use, saving you valuable space. Made from premium Oxford polyester, it's incredibly sturdy and leak-proof. The waterproof lining means no more worries about spills. It's more than just a trash can. Use it to store drinks, toys, tissues, anything you need to keep handy. The separate lid makes it easy to use disposable bags, keeping things clean and contained. Installation is a breeze. Adjustable straps let you hang it from your seat, console, or even the gear stick. It stays securely in place. What we like. It has a large capacity and is foldable for easy storage. The waterproof lining prevents spills. If you need a convenient and durable car trash can, this is perfect. What people say. It's incredibly easy to install with adjustable straps that securely hang from the center console. The design is super practical, keeping the car clean and organized without taking up too much space. The quality is great, and it holds up well even with regular use. It's spill-proof and easy to clean. The headrest strap holds it in place and the tie-down keeps it from bouncing around despite what back road I take my truck down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.